So good day everyone, I'm Bruce Diego Marquez. I'm here today to do a heuristic evaluation of this system called grade reveal. So I'm here with Paulo Almendra. He will act as the computer. And so, yeah.
So to explain the system, basically it's a system where the teachers can compute grades and the teachers can view their grades. That's simple.
Alright, so let's get started.
So now let's proceed in performing the heuristic evaluation of the prototype called grade reveal. So this is the first interface that we'll get. So we can log into this accounts given, or we can add a new account. So if we are gonna click any of this or add another account, we will get into this interface where we will enter the user password, and this is the user interface we're going to get if we entered the wrong password. So this is the view of the student. These are the table where they can keep track of their grades along the semester. The next view is they can view their grades in the finals here, or the pop down here of the first semester. Then the next one, this is given if the semester is done, they can unenroll to the class. But now let's proceed to the view of the teacher page. So it's so different than the students. So the teacher can view the classes that they handle here, like info 1A, 1B, and 1C. So I guess they can edit here, and when they view the students, this is the interface that will pop up on the teacher, where it will show the student list. So the next one is this. So if the teacher view the class of 1C, this is the list that will show, and they can upload the grades of the students here. So I guess if they click this, they can edit the table. And as for the next UI, they can get here when upload grades, then it will pop up to the teacher if the teacher is sure to upload the grades. I don't really know what this is for, but I think they should just make the upload grades the only one to pop up when the teacher click this. Next, this is the setting for the teacher. Oh, so they added a dark mode. I was gonna say na they should add dark mode, but here I'm surprised to see in the last few slides na we can get a dark mode. And then lastly, they will get in this UI where if they click the profile, this is the pop-up that the user will get, either whether it's a teacher or a student. This UI will show. Then it says is that it has a hover effect that shows add class. So this is the add class if the teacher wants to add more class, like here. These are the sections. So let's get into the evaluation form. So let's now proceed to the heuristic evaluation form. These are the feedbacks I've given for the site. So as for the visibility system status, it's not much visible. Then match between system and real world. Impressive for keeping track of grades. You can make the students keep track of their grades, so they won't have to ask the teachers why they have low grades or so on. And the user control and freedom, I think the navigation can be improved. Then consistency and standards, the buttons are consistent, but you know, I noticed some parts of the prototype are without colors, so they can work on that. So error prevention, good prompt of the wrong password here in this part. So the next one is recognition rather than recall. The buttons of the prototype has been consistent. The next one is the flexibility and efficiency of use. It is flexible for me as it can help teachers or students. So it's flexible. Then the aesthetic and minimalist design. The prototype shown minimalist design, but they can add some more or a little bit more. Then the next one is help users recognize, diagnose, and recover from errors. So again, I will give a thumbs up for the prompts of confirmation of actions, so it's impressive. Then as for the last one, help and documentation, it's the same thing that I will notice. The prompts again is impressive for me. So I think that will be all for the heuristic evaluation form of prototype grade reveal. So that's it.
Thank you.